Another question: is there in the scriptures, case law, even just one precedent, that mentions of an adopted son who would have been king in Judah, at least for a few hours? No, never, never. Look for it, you won't find it. And for good reason. The adoption is inadmissible in terms of eligibility to royalty in the tribe of Judah. Therefore, even if the child without a biological father would be adopted, this Jesus Christ of Christianity simply could not have become the Lion of the tribe of Judah, since he couldn't even become a member of Judah. Through that, do you know in the scriptures, among the biblical fathers, someone whose genealogical lineage has been determined with his mother's? Never. Search, examine the scriptures, you won't find any, with good reason. Biological parentage, genealogical in the Bible, is exclusively patrilineal. To put it another way, a person's belonging to one of the 12 tribes of Jacob is determined only according to tribe of his male sire. So much so that we can trivially write the equation: child's tribe is equal to the tribe of the sire, male sire. In this respect, we understand that the mother's tribe, whatever it may be, for that matter, is totally irrelevant, of no use in determining genealogical filiation in the Bible. Mary, do you want to dwell on Mary's case? Let's get to Mary. On one hand, she is not from the tribe of Judah. Rather, she is of the tribe of Levi, according to Luke chapter 1, verses 5:36 and following. On the other hand, even if she had been from the tribe of Judah, which is absolutely not the case, this is purely a school hypothesis. This virgin could not open the gate of the tribe of Judah to her child without a fleshly father, simply because biblical genealogical filiation is only patrilineal. The thing is so invariant to the point that even if a daughter of the tribe of Judah were to marry to a son of one of the other 11 tribes, let's put it this way, would marry with son of Levi. For example, children, boys and girls, will be born from this union, would belong not to the tribe of Judah, that of the mother, but totally to the tribe of Levi, that is, to the tribe of their father, of their male progenitor. An example? All right. Exodus chapter 6, verse 23. Here we see the patriarch Aaron himself, Levite, if ever there was one. This high priest takes as his wife a woman named Elisheba, daughter of the tribe of Judah. We know from the Bible that the children Aaron had of Elisheba were all Levite. It was in this capacity. The sons that Aaron obtained from Elisheba, daughter of Judah, were eligible for the office of the priesthood in the Mosaic tabernacle. From the foregoing panoramic picture, we can safely say, without any risk of being wrong, that only a fleshly descendant of Judah is likely to make a man, potentially, a Lion of Judah. So what shall we say? That the narrative of the nativity with a hybrid Christian Jesus Christ, with no biological relationship to Judah, without even the slightest link to the royal family. And you call it the Lion of the tribe of Judah? Lion of Judah? Really? Wow. Christianity has enthroned a Jesus Christ other than that of the apostles. Yes, Christianity of all denominations has enthroned a Jesus Christ other than that of the apostles, of another blood, of another flesh, of another nature than that of us humans. Since he was born the Son of God, and God otherwise known as esprit, half woman, half spiritual, partially carnal, partially celestial, without any father, earthly, natural, male, with a for mother a virgin, the spirit for a father. In so doing, Christianity tramples, literally debasing, the glory of the victory of the true Christ, who at birth is truly a man of flesh and blood, of bone and dust. Denial of the victory of the Son of Man, an outright sabotage of the blood of his cross. For if he were divine nature on the first day of his birth in Bethlehem, then frankly, what would have been its merit? What merit would it have to triumph? The temptations of the flesh. And the ancient serpent, since he would be God, if he had been born from the start, directly the Son of God, and God, then he could not even have been tempted. Temptation of this world, of the flesh. Why? Because it is written in James chapter 1, verse 13, that God cannot be tempted by end of. James 1, verse 13. Check it out. If he was not born ordinarily like me, of flesh and blood, of dust and bone. Yes, unlike you. He simply wasn't born in that same weak flesh. Then what merit and what glory does he still have? Besides, in that case, what would we really have to do with its existence, with his death, or even with his resurrection? Men, brothers, women, sisters, hear this most solemn proclamation by the Apostle Paul in 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 5. The athlete is not crowned if he has not fought according to the rules. End of quote. Now, precisely concerning the true Christ, it is written in Hebrews chapter 4, verse 15. I quote, he was like us, tempted in all things, but did not succumb. A man of pain, accustomed to suffering. The true Christ was exposed to all carnal temptations. He experienced persecution. He was exposed and confronted with loneliness, abandonment, insult, defamation, betrayal. He has experienced arbitrary arrest, false testimony, condemnation, injustice. When you're innocent, believe me, the feeling of pain is tenfold, volcanic. He was spared from any temptation. He knew all kinds of them, but he resisted